Clearing the air. How to remove smoke smell from your home. Stop smoking indoors. Clean thoroughly. Scrub all surfaces, walls, floors, furniture to remove smoke particles that cling to your home. Skip the candles. Avoid masking the odor with scented candles or aerosols. Focus on eliminating the source of the smell instead. Let fresh air in. Open windows for ventilation, allowing fresh air to help disperse the smoke odor. Try natural absorbents. Use vinegar or baking soda to neutralize odors by placing bowls around the affected areas. Tackle clothing separately. Wash clothes with vinegar or special detergents and avoid using the dryer until the odor is gone. Quit smoking altogether with QuitSure. Breathe easier with these simple steps and enjoy a smoke-free home.